Good morning, students. Today I am going to the continuity of the Apriori. Before the slide, we can see that association rule, everything will be see. Then after that, you can a priori algorithm. This is the continuity. What is a priori algorithm? A priori algorithm is the first algorithm that was proposed for frequent item sets mining. It was later improved by the Agarwal and Srikanth to be known as a priori algorithm. This algorithm using two steps, join method and pruning method, to reduce the search pace in the a priori algorithm. To mostly here used for the a priori algorithm is frequently item sets. The step to follow to the a priori algorithm, join step and pruning steps. Join steps here used for the k plus 1 item sets of joining of each item. Pruning steps count each item in the database. Candidates does not meet minimum support record infrequent that is removed there. It can be applied. Steps in a priori algorithm is a sequence followed to find the most frequent item of the given data sets. This data mining technique follows the join and the prune steps iteratively until the most frequent item is achieved. The minimum support threshold is given in the problem are assumed by the user. The first iterations of the algorithm, each item is taken the white one item sets candidate. The algorithm will count the occurrence of each item sets. The next two item sets is a minimum supports are discovered. For this join steps, the two item is generated by the forming a group of two by combined item widths itself. The two item sets candidate pruned with the minimum support threshold value. Now the table will have two item sets with the minimum support only. The next iterations will form three item sets using join and pruning steps. Next steps followed by the joining three item sets itself, pruning and it's the subset. This is the flowcharts of this. First, good item sets, then again to generate k item sets is nothing but a candidate join steps. Then set support. Supported means pruning method that is supported. Then after that pruning method is over, frequently item sets is analyzed. Then steps k minus 1 frequently item sets. If yes means stop. No means then generate the candidate again to k sets algorithm to find out. Okay, this is the example of the a priori algorithm. This is transaction. T1 means a transaction, the customer transaction ID number, list of items. Item means so many, maybe that is included the bread or anything, jam, everything is list of items. This customer is purchased this of the items. The transaction ID T2 is the customer ID number. This kind of item will be purchased. Then table 2 minimum, the count, minimum item numbers is count means the table 2 contained from the table 1. L1 how many count, L2 is how many count, L3 is how many, L4 is, this is the table 2 count of each item sets. Then pruning steps is applied. Pruning steps is the combinations will be checked from L1, L2 and L3 and L4 meet minimum support of the value. Only minimum support of the value will be used. Remaining deleted. L5 value is deleted. Means, this less amount that will be deleted. Another will be followed for the here table 3. Then combination of two item sets L1 and L2. How many of them? Two combinations. Find out that two combinations. L1 and L2 is 4. This is the table 4. Then minimum item sets. Then ignore the minimum item sets. Ignore means which one is ignore? L1 and L4. Then L3 and L4 will be ignored. Then finally table 5 and answer is given. Mm, then next three count sets of items. First is single sets, then two combination and three combination, combinations of the item sets. Then finally get the answer L1 and L2. 3 is frequently. This is the final answer. Every should be confident and support will be calculated from here. Then a priori algorithm pseudo code is there. This is the pseudo code of the algorithm. Then advantages: easy to understand algorithm, join and pune steps are easily to implement large items in a large database. Disadvantage is it requires high computational if the item sets are very large and the minimum support is kept very low. The entire database need to be scanned. A priori is an efficiency. Hash-based technical is used for here. That is one of the efficient. Transaction is reductions. That is an efficiency of this algorithm. Then sampling method is used for here. Dynamic item counting is used for the applications of a priori algorithm where it will be used for education field, in the medical field, forestry, and these are the a priori algorithm is used. Thank you.